Alright guys, we're testing out a new ALCI, but it's not from me, it's from somebody else. What did we do? We went to this particular desktop and I just copy pasted this thing, and thus the package list is coming from Tech0. You can find him on Discord. I thought, hey, what would that result if you just burn that? And the package list, so this is 100% him, and we'll see what we install. So basically from now on you can actually share package lists. Okay, this is what I did, this is what I did, compare notes. In the meantime, we're here, so one back, Brussels, it's correct my friend, and then Belgium, and next. Erase disk please, no swaps, keep it simple guys, no issues if you keep it simple. And then next, and then we're gonna pause the recording because hey, now I don't know how much gigabyte did we just burn. So this is from him out. This guy is 2.8 gigs, right? So it's your choice. What do you want on your future operating system? Let nobody else tell you what you can't or cannot do, right, on your system. If you want to have an ISO 5 gigs, we've created one of those. We've put all the games of Linux on an ISO. We've got 5 gigs. If that's your thing, because your child, you want to give him a PC without viruses, without maintenance, with games, here you go, all the Linux games. So ideas enough, what ifs, right? This particular idea that I just say, let's see, still something open, there is no browser open here. Ctrl-Alt-G is already done, so this what if is old for me, and it's on the ArcoLinux B. Build your own ISO, tutorials, and some ideas up here, so go and have a look at other ideas. How to create the biggest game ISO ever, right? I think about 5 gigs, maybe it's somewhere 5.3 gigabyte, but then we had a long list. Let's see if this link is still okay. I've put it on Pastebin. Ah yeah, that's for afterwards. Those packages, those games for your child or for yourself, right? You install them with Yay. They're not on the ISO because yeah, they're on the AUR. And the package list of the games on the ISO is also here. Great. So this is coming down with a sudo pacman -s. Just a list of the games we found and we like, we can promote, right? In the meantime, he's doing his job, right? We are in the halfway, more or less. So pausing the video. All right, I just went away a little bit, and there we go. Let's boot up. It's great, right? Somebody else's operating system. What will I get? I don't know. Really didn't know. So plasma there, so gonna be plasma. But the concept of the system, we wanna give you a tool to install ArcoLinux. ArcoLinux does not have SDM. We've used SDM to boot up. SDM is not installed anymore. We wanna have a clean installation. Aha. It is installed. Then we must have made an error somewhere. Good to know. I'm gonna check it out. So anyway, SDM is there. Okay, cool. Well, cool or not cool? I mean, it shouldn't be there. What did I do? I pressed a few buttons, guys, sorry. Ah, there you are. Back in. So, sudo systemctl. Ah yeah, that was still on my to-do list. See what else, has been removed. So this one should have been gone. It's still there. That's strange. I'll think about it. Anyway, this is it. sudo reboot. And it's his system. It's Plasma. Didn't check there were other desktop. Don't think he added anything else to the Plasma setup. I'm not sure. We can check later. So all these applications are his choice. This comes with the meta packages, lots of meta things. So how you love it. Do you want everything available in your system all the time? And with the megabytes or the gigabytes or the terabytes we got these days, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, you get some more updates in, that's for sure, but even that anyway in Europe doesn't really matter either. So NVIDIA is in here, but of course you need to make sure that it works on your system. That's something else. This is a virtual box. So, okay. Utilities. I see things I've never seen before. That's always fun, right? So there are lots of applications online, and this is a way to easily get everything on there. Now, log out. Was there another log out? Was there another desktop available? Yes, no. There you are. Okay, so it's just Plasma, guys. There you go. I'm gonna figure out why the SDM is not deleted, then because basically it should, because we want to have an ArcoLinux installation afterwards. All right, another experiment. Share your configs with each other. Well, the configs not, but the package files, and have fun. Cheers.